This is how we do the cards, the maths cards. On one side, you write the question if you like. In this case, it's 2 times 3. Right? On the reverse, you write the answer 6. So we do this actually from one is not necessary, one timetable. We do it from 2 to 10. But if you want to start from 1, not a problem. In Camilia's case, we should start with 2 and 3 now. Okay, she's still counting by 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We do not want that. We want actually to memorize it. So you will be as this fast. For example, if you show it to her, you have to time her. 2 times 3, 6, 8, 21, 15, 27, 9, 12, 4. It should be smooth that way. So my suggestion is you make timetable cards for Camellia. 2 timetable means 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 2 times 6, 2 times 7, 2 times 8, 2 times 9, 2 times 10. Question on one side, answer on the other. Same thing, 3 times 1, right until 3 times 10. And then shuffle it, test her. Okay, the speed should be under 1 minute as a target. That means she needs to complete how many cards? 20 cards in 60 seconds. Inshallah, it's possible, but it won't be possible if she is counting. So when you test her, if let's say let's assume she cannot get this, just ask her to guess. And when she gets it wrong, what do? You show her like that. Okay, 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 3, 21. Do not comment about why you're so slow. How come you cannot get? I've already teach you many times. Just go through the whole process. Don't judge her. Be positive at all times, and then continue and make it fun. Fun in the sense that it's a game, right? For children, and they see it as game, and that's the motivation behind it. So she would be able to master maths. But the moment you make it a painful process, they will avoid it. So be careful about it. Just tell her you're going to test her, and you test her. And then if she's weak, pick up the cards. They say that she doesn't know this. Put this card aside. You can show her 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 3, 15, put it aside. Okay, all those that she gets wrong, put it one side, and then later on ask her to memorize, and then you test her on these cards. All right, so I hope you can do that for Camellia. That is our target, our homework for this week, because when she's slow at this, she becomes slow in the long division, which is something like this. All right, let's say we have a long division question. Let's say divide by 2, and I'm doing like that. Let's say. So she will take some time to calculate what times 2 equals to 2, or 1 times, okay, this is easy. So the next one is 4. Okay, and bring down the 8. So again, you get 4 here. The next one will be 0, right? And then for the last one, which is 16, okay, which is 16, she might take some time, as she had earlier. So it should be memorized, not counting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is too long, because when it comes to 3 timetable, then you become slower, and you have more and more timetables, it's going to be slower. So yeah, the homework is actually to make 20 cards, 1 times 2, 2 times 2, right, until 10 times 2, and 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, right, until 10 times 3. And then to test her and make sure that she completes the whole 20 cards in under 1 minute. 1 minute or less. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.